Animal body parts. Written by Donna Kim. Illustrated by Darius Carnes. Ears to hear. Eyes to see. Nose to smell. Mouth to eat. Beak to peck. Trunk to lift. Hands to grab. Legs to run.